Hi guys, this is the TELLO EDU drone. At the front, there is a 5 megapixel camera. There are 4 propellers, as well as 4 propeller guards. At the back of the drone, there is a slot for the battery, and inside the slot, you can see there are 4 gold color copper plates. And the 4 copper plates need to be aligned to the 4 bars here on the battery. Before you slot in the battery, you need to record down the Wi-Fi ID of this drone, which is TELLO-6042E1. And the battery has a notch here, and this notch has to be facing up. So you slot in the battery. Once you've slotted the battery in, you can press on the notch here in order to turn on the drone. So when you see the blinking light, the drone has been turned on. You need to download the TELLO app as well as to turn on the Wi-Fi of your handphone. Then tap on Connect TELLO. You can refresh the Wi-Fi of your handphone in order to search for the TELLO Wi-Fi. Here you go, the TELLO Wi-Fi is here, TELLO-6042E1. Tap on it. And the connection is successful. So when you can see the camera footage of your drone, that means the connection is successful. The button on the top right corner allows you to take photo. The next button allows you to toggle between taking photo and recording video. And the next button allows you to review the photos taken as well as the video recorded. So these are the photo taken, and there is no video recorded so far. The button on the top left corner allows you to take off the drone as well as to land the drone. The next button are the different flight modes. There are altogether 6 flight modes available. And the next button are the settings. Okay, these are the settings. There are 2 sets of movement controls, the one on the left as well as the one on the right. So the right movement controls allows you to move the drone forward, backward, to the right and to the left. Yeah, so forward means that it will move the drone towards the direction where the camera is pointing. And the controls on the left allows you to move the drone up, down, rotate clockwise, rotate anti-clockwise. Let's launch the drone now. Move forward. Move backward, left, right, up, down, turn clockwise, turn anti-clockwise, land.